Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send gifts in Monopoly Go. So you can only send stickers as gifts in Monopoly Go. There is no other currency for gifts. The only currency is stickers. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Monopoly Go application and log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you will have to first of all access your stickers album by clicking on the album icon on the bottom of the screen. So this is the album icon. You'll have to click here and here you will view all of your albums and all the stickers in one place. Next, click on an album and view a sticker with a duplicate as indicated by +1 or whichever corresponding number showing the amount of the stickers you have. Now you will see select a friend with a list of friends that you are able to send the sticker to. Select the username and confirm by tapping send to friend. That's it. And after you do this, once they log on to play, they will be notified that you send them a sticker. But do note that you're only allowed to send up to 5 stickers per day. So that's how you send gifts in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.